Meet the all-in-one monster, the Samsung Galaxy M17e 5G. This device brings flagship features together in one powerful modern package. Enjoy a premium look with a tough build. The M17e 5G features a sleek 8.2mm profile, a unique key island design, and is available in Vibe Violet or Blitz Blue. Experience a major speed upgrade. The 6.7-inch HD Plus display delivers a 120Hz refresh rate, providing you with the smoothest scrolling experience in its segment. Powering your performance is the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 octa-core processor running at 2.4 GHz, supported by 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. Stay connected everywhere. With support for 12 different 5G bands, this phone ensures strong network reliability and fast internet speeds. Get monster endurance for your longest days. A massive 6,000 mAh battery keeps you going, while adaptive battery technology intelligently prevents unused apps from draining your power. Watch your favorite content from morning until midnight. The device offers up to 26 hours of continuous video playback and supports 25W fast charging. Capture every detail in depth. The 50 megapixels main camera features an f1.8 aperture for excellent night photography, while the 8 megapixels front camera ensures sharp selfies. Enjoy a flagship software experience. Running the latest Android 16 with Samsung One UI 8.0, you get convenient features like large folders and live notifications. Search like a pro with built-in AI. Circle to search with Google lets you identify anything on your screen instantly, and Google Gemini live powers your smart assistant. Built for real life, the device carries an IP54 rating, offering protection against dust and accidental water splashes. Stay up to date and stress-free. Samsung guarantees 6 generations of OS upgrades and 6 years of security updates for this device. Enjoy one-touch control and pin-free access with the side fingerprint sensor. Plus, Samsung Knox Vault keeps your data protected during transactions like tap and pay. See how the Galaxy M17e 5G redefines its category with a superior 120Hz display, 6,000 mAh battery, 6 years of upgrades, and advanced AI features. In the box, you will find your new device, a Type-C cable, and an ejection pin. A 25W charging brick is sold separately. Get this exceptional value for a premium device for just 14,999 rupees. That is a 29% savings off the standard 20,999 rupee price today, plus a 12-month manufacturer warranty. Make it yours today. Enjoy the smooth display, monster battery, ultimate longevity, and powerful AI features that make the Galaxy M17e 5G a top choice.